Can your current computer actually run artificial intelligence? Or do you need an expensive new AI PC? The answer depends on what you mean by running AI. If you only use ChatGPT, Gemini, or other online AI tools, almost any computer will work. That's because the actual AI model runs on powerful servers in the cloud. Your computer only sends the request and displays the answer. But running AI directly on your own PC is a completely different story. Let's break down the hardware you need. First, the CPU. The CPU is the general-purpose brain of your computer. It manages Windows, opens programs, processes instructions, and coordinates everything happening inside the system. A modern CPU can run smaller AI models, especially optimized or compressed ones. You can use it for basic text generation, transcription, object detection, and simple machine learning projects. However, CPUs have relatively few powerful cores. AI models often require thousands of calculations to happen at the same time. A CPU can do the work, but it may generate text slowly or take much longer to create an image. That's where the GPU comes in. A GPU was originally designed to process millions of pixels for games and graphics, but its ability to perform many calculations simultaneously also makes it extremely useful for AI. If you want to generate images locally, run larger language models, edit video with AI, or train a neural network, the GPU is usually the most important component. But GPU speed isn't the only thing that matters. You also need enough VRAM. VRAM is the dedicated memory built into your graphics card. The larger the AI model, the more VRAM it needs. A GPU with around 6 to 8 gigabytes of VRAM can handle many entry-level AI tasks and smaller models. 12 to 16 gigabytes gives you more flexibility for local image generation and medium-sized language models. For larger models, advanced video generation, or serious AI training, you may need 24 gigabytes or more. If the model doesn't fit inside your VRAM, it may run extremely slowly or fail to load completely. Now, what about the NPU? NPU stands for Neural Processing Unit. It is a specialized chip designed specifically for AI tasks. Unlike a powerful GPU, an NPU focuses on efficiency. It can handle features such as background blur, noise removal, live captions, face detection, translation, and other continuous AI processes while consuming less power. That makes NPUs especially useful in laptops, where battery life matters. But an NPU does not automatically replace a GPU. Most NPUs are designed for smaller, optimized AI workloads, not training huge models or generating complex videos. Think of it this way. The CPU manages the entire computer. The GPU provides heavy AI power, and the NPU handles smaller AI tasks efficiently. System RAM also matters. For normal cloud-based AI use, 8 gigabytes may still work, although 16 gigabytes provides a much better experience. If you want to run AI models locally, 16 gigabytes should be considered a practical starting point. 32 gigabytes or more is better for larger models and professional projects. So, can your PC run AI in 2026? If you use online AI tools, the answer is probably yes. If you want to experiment with small local models, a recent CPU, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and a basic GPU may be enough. But if you want fast image generation, larger local models, AI video creation, or model training, you'll need a powerful GPU with plenty of VRAM. And while new AI PCs with NPUs are useful, you don't necessarily need to replace your current computer. The right hardware depends entirely on the AI tasks you want to perform. Would you run AI locally for better privacy, or continue using cloud services for convenience? Share your choice in the comments and subscribe to GRIDMIND for more simple technology explanations.